All right, guys, new home tour for you, or another home tour. It's not a new home. Built in 2008. This property is in Broken Arrow. We're in the estates of Birchwood today. Do love this home. Partial brick and siding. We've also got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. So very substantial home here. According to a recent appraisal, square footage is 3,359. So let's head on in, check out this house. At the time of this video, it's currently offered at $425,000. So before we continue here, if you're new here, my name is Ryan Henze. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team with Keller Williams here in Tulsa, and we serve, of course, Tulsa and the surrounding areas. So if you like home tours, real estate content, and local content as well, go ahead and like and subscribe for more. And let's get into today's video. So right inside here, you do have an office right to the side, right off of your main entrance. Then over here would be a mother-in-law suite. So you've got a bedroom here with its own bathroom, which is great. And then over here will be your closet, which is actually a really good sized closet for a mother-in-law. So I love that. This house is, of course, very brown, but you know, nothing some paint can't fix. I think it's priced pretty fairly considering that. We're only at $130 a square foot. So here's your living space, dining room. We've also got beautiful fireplace there. We'll head over here. This is your master bedroom. You have the crown molding throughout, which is a really great feature. Double doors into the master bath. You have a jetted tub. I love the frosted glass to give you some natural light. 2 vanities, really nice shower, and a great master closet there, really good size. There's your toilet area. And we'll head back in here. We'll head upstairs. This house is a very traditional style of the 2008 era. You see a lot of that kind of tan, almost, I don't want to say Italian, but kind of Italian style with these rungs like that. Really nice great room here, game room, whatever you want to call it. Here's kind of a bump out situation. Could have a reading nook, a little library maybe. Here's another finished attic space. So this adds to that extra square footage that I mentioned at the beginning from the appraiser. But really great there. Hi. Hi. Let's go look over here. Here is another room here. Does have closet on this side and also on this side. You have a linen closet here, I believe, or it's utility. Oh, no. Linen closet. Another bedroom. Obviously this is a neighbor's house, so not a whole lot of side yard, but there is a fairly decent backyard. So we'll go check that out, of course, before the end of this video. Closet space. Let me know what you think so far. Obviously, it could use a little paint because it's a little bit brown is just not trending anymore. So almost forgot, off the master, there is a utility room right here. And then here is your garage. Massive, massive garage. 3-car. Of course, you have attic space up there. And then a workbench area over here that you could put in. That goes out to the backyard. But you can also put a workbench over here because there's plenty of space. Just finishing up the broker's open. Love this kitchen. Huge island. I love that there's room for the bar stools because, like our family, we spend all of our time at the kitchen counter. We don't really use the dining room, but you do have one if you need one. We'll go outside. Here's your backyard. So good entertaining space. Like I said, there's not a whole lot of side yard. These houses are kind of close together, but you do have a pretty private backyard. There are French drains. I know that's going to be the first question people ask is, well, where's all the water go? This house does have French drains, so you won't have to worry about water pooling by your house. And then over here, you just have another, well, that's a storage area, and then that's that door to the garage. So let me know what you guys think about this house. Of course, if you're thinking of making a move to Oklahoma, I would love to help you make that smooth transition. Go ahead and like and subscribe for more home tours like this one. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.